Now we're going to show you how to service your XLC200K. Once the restriction indicator signals red, the element is now due to be serviced. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to loosen the intake pipe clamps. We're going to take it off the outlet of the housing, release the latches, pull the cover out of the way, and then we'll remove the element and replace the element. Let's get started. So we've disconnected the intake pipe to the engine. We've swung it 90 degrees out of the way. Now we're going to take off the latches. The cover will swing out of the way as there's a hinge down the bottom. Just place that up on top of the intercooler, and then the element should just slide out and replace it with a new one. Pay attention when fitting your new element that it's even all the way around, that it's sitting flush on the little critical seal point there. Once that's in, go ahead and fit the cover. Be sure that the hinges down here are in properly. Swing it back, tighten the latches. Fit the intake pipe. Check your connections and reset the indicator.